Mastering postal addresses, the correct format.
Hello. Welcome to our discussion today on the proper format for writing a postal address. With the rise in online shopping, sending letters, and international shipping, it's more crucial than ever to understand how to correctly format a postal address. This knowledge can help ensure your mail reaches its destination without any hitches.
What is a postal address?
A postal address is a descriptive location that specifies where mail can be delivered. It often includes a combination of the recipient's name, street name, building or house number, city, state or province, postal or zip code, and country, for international mail.
The components of a postal address.
The postal address is typically formatted in a specific way. Let's break it down. 1. Recipient's name. This is the person or company to whom the mail is being sent. It is the first line of the address. 2. Street address. This could be a house number and street name, or a P.O. box. For apartment buildings, don't forget to include the apartment number. 3. City, state, and postal code. The city should be followed by the state or province, for countries that have them, and then the postal code or zip code. These are usually on the same line. 4. Country. For international mail, the country name should be written on the line by itself, below the city, state, and postal code line.
An example of a properly formatted address.
Here's an example of how it might look. John Doe 1234 Main Street, Apt 567 Springfield, Illinois, 12345 United States.
Additional tips.
Remember, you want to make sure your mail reaches its destination without any issue. So, follow these tips. Write clearly and legibly to avoid any confusion. Don't use any punctuation when writing the address. Use capital letters for the entire address. This is a universal postal standard that can help your mail get to where it needs to go. When sending international mail, write the country name in English and use the English equivalent for city names if applicable. That's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge on how to properly format a postal address. We hope you found this guide useful, and remember, clear and correct addressing is key to ensuring your mail gets delivered without any issue. Happy mailing!